Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shweta Yadav, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Ovum Hospital, Kalyan Nagar. Today I am here to talk about the importance of ultrasound in pregnancy. Ultrasound plays a key role in assessing and monitoring the health of both mother and baby throughout the pregnancy. It is safe and non-invasive technique that helps us to detect the baby's development, that is the fetal development, to assess for any complications and guides us in the management early on in the pregnancy. Let's take a look at the pregnancy scans trimester wise. Firstly, a dating scan is done between 6 to 8 weeks. The scan helps us to confirm whether it is an intrauterine pregnancy or not. Secondly, whether it is a viable pregnancy or not by checking the heartbeat of the pregnancy. Thirdly, helps us to know whether it's a singleton pregnancy or a multiple pregnancy. And finally, for the dating of the pregnancy. The next scan we do is the NT scan done between 11 and 13.6 weeks. In this scan, mainly the fluid level at the back of the neck is measured along with an important blood test called a double marker test. With this scan, it helps us to detect the risk of chromosomal abnormalities in the baby. Thirdly, we do a very important scan in the second trimester called the anomaly scan. Anomaly scan takes a detailed structural assessment of the baby. A detailed and a thorough examination of all the organs, vital organs of the baby are done, and we ensure the baby has no developmental defect or any anatomical defect. Then finally we do the growth scans. Depending on the need of the patient, we do it at around 28 weeks, at around 32 weeks, and finally at the term pregnancy, that's around 36 to 37 weeks. The growth scan tells us about the growth, whether the baby has been growing well, the estimated fetal weight is assessed, the water level around the baby or the amniotic fluid levels are checked, the placental location, the presentation of the baby tells us whether the head is down or the breech or the legs are down, and the overall health of the mother and baby can be assessed. So to conclude, an ultrasound is a very essential part of the antenatal checkups, and it is highly recommended. It is safe and non-invasive as well, and I hope the information you found useful. Thank you.